Hi everyone, welcome to the kitchen. Today we're making crispy fried chicken from scratch. I'll show you every step from preparing the ingredients to cooking and serving the finished dish. So let's get started. The ingredients you need to prepare are 1 kilogram of chicken pieces, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of cornstarch, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 cup of buttermilk, and 4 cups of cooking oil. Once you have everything ready, let's start preparing our crispy fried chicken. First, pat the chicken pieces dry with paper towels. If the pieces are large, cut them into smaller portions so they cook evenly. Now let's make the marinade. Add 1 cup of buttermilk, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk everything together until well combined. Add the chicken to the marinade and make sure every piece is completely coated. Cover it and refrigerate for at least 1 hour for better flavor. For the crispy coating, combine 2 cups of flour, half a cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of paprika, then of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of the salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar, then mix everything well. Now remove a piece of chicken from the marinade and let the excess drip off. Press it firmly into the flour mixture and coat every side completely. Next, heat the cooking oil to approximately 175 degrees Celsius, or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a thermometer to check the temperature before frying. Carefully place the coated chicken into the hot oil. Fry in batches so you don't overcrowd the pan, and cook until the coating turns golden brown. Keep frying until the chicken is deeply golden and crispy. Check the thickest part with a thermometer and make sure it reaches 74 degrees Celsius or 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, carefully remove the chicken from the oil and place it on a wire rack. Let it rest for a few minutes so the excess oil can drain while the crust stays crispy. And there you have it, crispy fried chicken made from scratch. Serve it with fries, coleslaw, or your favorite side. Enjoy! Look at that crispy crust and juicy, tender inside. This is the perfect homemade fried chicken. I hope you try this recipe at home. See you in the next one. If you enjoyed this recipe, subscribe for more delicious cooking tutorials. See you in the next one.